Understanding how to use a camp stove, easy guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, use a camp stove. This is a practical phrase, especially for those who enjoy outdoor activities. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in your conversations. Let's get started. Use a camp stove may seem simple, but it's packed with meaning. A camp stove is a portable stove used for cooking outdoors, especially when camping. It's smaller than a regular stove and can be easily carried. The verb, use, here means to operate or employ it for cooking. So, when someone says they're going to use a camp stove, they mean they plan to cook or prepare food outdoors using this portable device. Understanding when and how to use this phrase is crucial. It's commonly used in the context of camping, hiking, or outdoor activities. For example, if someone is planning a camping trip, they might say, "I'll use a camp stove to cook our meals." This phrase can also come up in discussions about outdoor cooking methods or even in storytelling about camping adventures. There are a few variations of this phrase that you might hear. For instance, setting up a camp stove, or cooking on a camp stove. Each variation still focuses on the act of preparing food outdoors but highlights different aspects of the process. Setting up emphasizes the preparation, while cooking on focuses on the act of cooking itself. And that's a wrap on how to use a camp stove in English. Remember, it's all about context and practice. We hope this video helps you in your English learning journey and maybe even inspires you to try some outdoor cooking. Stay tuned for more helpful English phrases and expressions. Happy learning and see you in the next video.